Man, you know what? Fuck all this. I'm about to damn call DJ. Let this nigga know what the fuck is going on. Butterflies, son. Butterflies in the trap. Ain't nobody ever did no butterfly trap music, son.
You know what? Maybe I could just put all this energy into Welvin's second album.
Second?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Second album?
Yeah, that new single he got.
He just
Sing
got
You
the
Without
verse.
the Filters. I think that might do real good.
Yo, D, what up, baby? I need to talk to you, man.
Ain't shit, just chillin'.
Check this out. Man, your boy C, man. Everybody got watches. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my watch.
Oh, man, really? See, let me tell you what I ain't got time for. Now, I done reached out to these niggas and asked them for my motherfucking money.